Hello,
No,
how are you doing?
good anyway.
I'm good, thanks. You are speaking to Lee from CMTV, ne? Hey. Wow. Let me try again. Maybe get network. Hello,
Hello.
I'm saying you're speaking to Lee from CMTV. Can we talk? Wow, guys. Now I relate to this because someone did this on TikTok. So I don't know if there are people. Okay, let me try again. What are you sure about answer?
Wadrobha futhi. Ngobhizi.
Because I said it's Lee. Hi, my sister. I won't take time.
Hello.
I just need 1 minute of your time if you don't mind.
Why are you keeping on calling me? Because I don't want to talk to you.
But you don't know me. I wanna say something important.
What's
One,
important?
give me 1 minute. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yeah, your partner is here. Is gonna win 1,000 rand if you're loyal. So I wanna ask you a few questions.
Uh,
Yeah, is your partner light skin or dark skin?
Doug,
How long have you been dating?
6 years.
Okay. Do you guys have a baby?
Yes.
Okay. What is your partner's name?
Tabiso.
Hawu, uthabisa umuntu wakho.
Tabiso, umuntu wami.
Hawu, mina uSipho ngiyini yakho nje uthabisa unomntana naye. Kusho ukuthi umntana lo uthi owami nawe akusowami.
Kanti unjani?
Unjani ngani?
Ngoba
Mawuthi njani?
phela ngidawubo somuve wani maye mina bekumele ngenzeni.
Umntana wakabani yabona ukuva on njengoba usho ukuthi unomntana noThabiso nina 6 years nizwana.
Yes, mina nginomntana la noThabiso bongazi kanti.
Mina ngazi sinomntana oyi-1 lo wesithuya ngimazi ubuyaphi lo wesithuya.
Ayibo. Umntana uye lo oyi-1 engikhuluma ngaye.
Okabani kahle kahle wangachazi ukuthi okabani.
UkaThabiso umntana.
Okusho ukuthi lokhu udlala ngami lokuthi mamela. Ayithi mina ngazi umntana kowami simkhulisa siyi-2 njengoba sihlala siyi-2. UThabiso ubuyaphi yena?